What it do, beautiful babes? Your girl, Sweet Angel. Guess what? It's time for Stash or Trash. Now, y'all, I know February is not over. Not at this moment. Not while I'm recording this video. But for me, you might as well say it's damn near over because, look, I ain't collecting no more trash. So I'm getting ready to share with y'all what I went through this month, okay? So I do have a mixture of both store-bought products and also natural treatments. So hopefully I can remember what was in the container, because some of the containers I did not mark on my natural treatments. I'm like, oops, didn't do it. But that's okay. We're gonna get through it anyway. So let's get started. You need to subscribe though. Yeah, I'm talking about you. Thank you. Yeah, that's right. If you have not subscribed to the channel, you don't want to lose your favorite old chick doing YouTube flicks. So come on, hit the button, hit the button, that little red button. Yeah, it should be red. It's not a good sign. It's not a good sign. So come on, hit the button. And yes, let's get started. Now, if y'all haven't seen all of my vloggy vlogs, if you have seen my vloggy vlogs, you'll know that I got this from Amazon, and it's so cute. It's some, I don't know, it looks like Mickey Mouse ears with some little hearts on it, but it came in a pack of 6, and I'll have a link below if you would like to get you some of these so you can look cute too. That's great. Let's get started. This one is not, honestly speaking, like, I don't know if it should be in my stash or trash, or it should be in my favorites. It's actually right behind me here. It's this cute little reed diffuser that I got in my Bombay and Cedar box. But I have the box in here because I just wanted to do an honorable mention about it. And these are things that I really love. As a matter of fact, in the March 2020 Simply Earth Essential Oil Recipe box, you can make your own reed diffuser, and I did that. So, but I just want to share this one with y'all and tell you, hey, I like it a lot. And I'm going to take this little container out of here because I can use this little container for future mixes for my diffuser. So my reed diffuser, that is. So I'm just going to get that out of there, and I can go ahead and pre-mix some things in here, which I thought was cute. So I'll know what that is. I'll put a label on it. And yeah, that's it. So just wanted to mention that. Ooh, my. This is avocado oil, pure avocado oil. I love this. This is so good for the skin. All it takes is a small amount, and girl, your skin will be totally moisturized and nourished. And you can also apply this to the hair. This is one of the best. Oh yes, one of the best. It's a little bit in here. I don't want to give it up. I just want to use it all up. Anyway, yeah, love that so much. Totally do. Just put a little bit on here. The little bit that was left. Love it so much. Yes. So the other thing is hemp oil. This is the last of my hemp oil. This one is Nature's something or another. Y'all know now I do make sure it is a better quality of hemp oil. If you are one to consume hemp oil or have been taking hemp oil for pain or, you know, digestive issues, whatever the case may be. But this is this one, and it is history. Love it. I will have my links below. They are affiliate links.
I do affiliate links.
I do use affiliate links. Y'all know I have to support this channel, and the girl got to keep the lights on because I burn a lot of lights. So you know I got to do what I got to do. So if you could do a girl a favor and use my link, that would be perfect. Trash. And as always, oh no, I did a lot of makeup for the month of February because I went through 2 packs of facial wipes. I did. I use these, in fact, just to spot clean my brushes when I do my makeup as well. These are from the Dollar Tree. They're collagen makeup cleansing wipes. Yes, this is what I use all the time. Yoo-hoo. Trash. Okay, a natural treatment. This was the Veins Sugar Scrub. I'm not going to toss this container because I will continue to use this. I do have a label. These come in the Simply Earth recipe boxes. That's where that recipe came from, the Veins Sugar Scrub. So this is for those of you who may be suffering or battling with varicose veins or spider veins. This is really good for that. Okay. So I'll keep the container for that. And what do we have here? This one here was my Secret Potent Dry Skin Oil. This is so good for nourishing the skin throughout the winter months. Some great ingredients. I will link the video above for you so you can make your own. Very good stuff. And then along that same line, hey, this is the Skin Tightening Oil. It's gone except for a little drop that's still left in there. But this is oh so good for tightening. If you have loose skin that you're trying to tighten on your body, this is perfect. I also did it underneath my chin. You know, I've lost a couple of pounds. My face is of course much slimmer than it was once upon a time, and with that happening you get loose skin under the chin. I've been working on that, working on it, working on that, and I'm also starting the chin exercises. So if you'd like to see those, let me know and we'll do those together right here on camera, okay? And that will be on Beauty by Sweet Angel, of course. These DIYs are on my Home Remedy channel in case you've never been there. It is Beauty by Sweet Angel. Check it out. The link is right here and also in the description box for you. And oh, some cookies. These were the ginger snaps by Partake that I got out of my Bombay and Cedar. I thought I threw it in the trash, but I guess I threw it in my stash of trash. So you know, with my natural treatments, those are continuous. I always do those. I do those regularly, but when it comes to certain products, you know, some of these I don't have to get them again. Now this is a fragrance I've had for years. It probably don't even smell the same way it did when I first got it, but this is J Lo's, what was the one? I know she has two different ones. I don't think it really says, but this is J-Lo fragrance, and I loved it so much. It was always a signature scent for me back in the day. I know Maddie, she always said, Mama, you remember you used to wear J-Lo all the time? And I did. That was my scent. That was my jam. But I just recently went through this and finally tossing it out after all of this time. But anyway, this is what I wouldn't mind getting it again, but you know, I got so many fragrances right now that I may not. So anywho, that's going to the trash, but I would definitely put it in the stash, especially if somebody gave it to me. I keep it. And oh, this is gone. This was actually A&D ointment and black seed oil. You know, during these cold winter months, my skin gets awfully dry in certain areas of my face. So that's why I am a oil connoisseur. I use every oil in the book. You'll see oils everywhere for everything grand. And I also mix up a lot of things. I use my black seed oil, my Bio-Natal black seed oil and A&D ointment just to help with any skin issues that I may have due to dryness. I don't really have like eczema or anything like that. It's just that, you know, your skin needs moisturization, and there are times when oops, you just don't moisturize like you would generally, and that's my biggest problem. So just keeping things moisturized. You know, ladies, you're talking about crepe skin. You won't have no crepe skin if you oil your ashy ass up. That's what you gotta do. I'm just being real. That's no such thing as crepe skin. That's just dry skin, overly abused dry skin. We need to talk about that. We do. Anyway, next thing. Y'all know I've been a big lover of Pear's translucent soap, glycerin soap for a long time. But guess what? I just recently partnered with Bio-Natal over a few things, especially with my black seed oil. I've what can I say, switched over completely to Bio-Natal black seed oil on that. Also a magnificent lotion that they have, and a wonderful black seed sugar scrub that's excellent. But in the midst of all of that, I've also been using their black seed soap. It's a naturally handmade soap made with pure Ethiopian black cumin seeds, and this is for your face and your body. I've actually been using it on my face continuously every single day. This is what I've been washing my face with. Even if I use my brush, I will, you know, go ahead and put a layer of this, slather it, massage it in, and rinse off. But this is the soap that I have been using. I will go ahead and put a link somewhere, and I already have another one, and honey, it is black seed soap. It's black. Let me show you. This is the backup. I just want to show it to y'all. You see there? It is black. Now this is a little bit different than you're talking about the African black soap. Now with African black soap, this actually stains my towels. This will stain for a moment, but it does rinse out in the wash, so I like that about that. But this is a keeper. I love how it thoroughly cleanses my skin. Even if I don't use a facial brush or any other kind of scrub, my skin feels silky clean, like it's been detoxed for real. And even around my nose, I used to get a lot of peeling. This really has helped. Now at first, when I first started using it, it did peel and dry out all of that area, and then now it's no peeling like it was, because I would just like look like boogers or something, you know. It was just crazy. But this is great as well. I use it on my body maybe once a week, but not every single day, because it can be pretty drying. Of course, with your face, I have oils and makeup that, you know, that is cleansing, and not just my skin. So it's just like helping to cleanse that area. Perfect. Love it. Stash. All right, I have an essential oil that's gone. This one is actually from Laguna Moon. It is the lemongrass essential oil. Y'all know I keep essential oils faithfully in my house. Always. Lemongrass is great, not only for skin cleansing as like an antiseptic, but also for cleansing your home. Nice fresh smell. I think Maddie, she loves to put it in the mop water. So this is super great. Love it. Already got some. All right. Ooh, now this one is so old, I don't even know when I made this, but this was like an anti-wrinkle roll-on. If I find the video, I will link it below, but this is where that came from, and she's pretty much gone. I guess I can't really get the rest of it out of there, so I'm going to sterilize my bottles and reuse them. As a matter of fact, I may be giving away in some of the giveaways, for those of you who do DIYs, some of the extra containers I do have. I got a lot of them, and you know, they're so good. I mean, it's like when you use it up, you just reuse the bottle. So I really don't need many more of them, but if I have extras or if you ask for them, I will share some of my roller bottles, and also like the essential oil dropper bottles. Okay, so oh, I remember this. Yes, I do. This is my beauty, what is it, by Pop Sugar. This was a lip gloss, but it was like a, I don't know, it had all kind of effects going on there. Let me see if I can see exactly what this was. It was called Crystal Liquid Lips. Yes, by Pop Sugar. Yeah, that was so nice. I really like that. I'm going to check out finding this gloss, because I would really love. It was long lasting, it smelled good, it tastes good, it was pretty. It was a great lipstick topper. Just give it that, you know, luminous look to it. I love that. And these are all things from the bathroom. This is what, let's see, I have used it on my hair, was not real pleased with it, but it's Lusty Organics Olive Oil Detangling Spray. This came from Dollar Tree, and I don't need this no more. She gone, girl, she's so gone. I don't even need her no more. Now I have recently used this and been using it, but this really made my hair kind of frizzy. It is the Soft Sheen Carson Carefree Gold Instant Activator, dual conditioning for natural or curly hair. This just makes my hair so soft that, you know, it doesn't give any like definition to my hair. It's just big poof ball, you know, just no. I don't think I'm gonna use this anymore. I don't think so. The Cantu. Okay, girl, okay, she just like squeezed down to death. The Cantu Shea Butter for natural hair, moisturizing cream activator cream. Now I like this a lot, but you can't use too much of it. Again, another item that will really make your hair so soft that it has no definition. It's just soft. It's just really, really, really soft. And it's okay, but not anything I'm rushing out to get right now. And I already have some, as a matter of fact, but don't need it anymore. Another item that I will probably not be using again is the Schwarzkopf Smooth and Shine Camellia and Shea Butter Styling Custard. Now I use the styling gel. That's my jam, okay? But this, I don't need it no more. Bye, girl. Alright, shampoo, the 2-in-1 VO5 shampoo and conditioner. This, I would get these at the Dollar Tree, but y'all, I have since found me a shampoo. I'll talk about it because right now I can't find it. We picked it up the other day at CVS or at some store, CVS, and I think I'm going to try it and see what it does for my hair. So I guess I need to check the cart because I can't find it anywhere around the house. But I found me a shampoo. I told you I was going to find one that I'm going to, you know, upgrade my hair with, okay? But this was alright, you know. It's alright, but, you know, nothing to run home and tell mom and them about, okay? And finally, oops, just empty bag. Don't need that. It's Secret, my Luxe Lavender. Is that what it is? Yeah, Luxe Lavender Secret. I've heard so many people talk about Dove. I've been wanting to try Dove. I do the natural deodorant, but y'all know I can't be in public like perspiring, and I do need an antiperspirant most of the time. Only time I use my Wild Root, which is my natural deodorant that's aluminum free, that's, you know, free of any kind of unnatural chemicals, is nighttime. Or I do also, it's a great foot softener too, in case you're wondering what to do with your old stick deodorants. You can put it on your feet as well. But this is my favorite. This is what I get all the time. Secret Luxe Lavender, and she gone. And that's all of my empties. So that's gone. So anyway, anything else? No. That's it. So y'all, I guess I'll catch y'all on the next go round. How about that? That's good, right? All right. Well, I'm so thankful y'all are enjoying the channel. I appreciate it. Let me know of any good things y'all want to talk about here on the channel. March is my birthday month, so I will be doing some Q&As for you. I will be doing some other type of videos on the channel. So just stick and stay. Like I told you, it's going to get lit. Okay? Right here. So, beautiful babes, I'm signing out. I got to go to work. I got to go to work. Y'all leave me alone. I can't talk no more. Y'all please like, comment, and subscribe. And please share your girl with your world. And I'll see y'all on that video. Bye. I wanna be with you always, 'cause that is what my heart says. That's what my heart says. I wanna be with you always.